Some adventures don't require a long journey, just the willingness to leave the city behind. Just around 70 kilometers from Bengaluru, hidden among the rugged hills of Ramanagara, lies Handi Gundi, a trek that rewards every step with breathtaking views. But today's adventure doesn't end at the summit. After conquering Handi Gundi, we'll leave the usual trail behind and explore a nearby offbeat hill to witness the landscape from an entirely different perspective. So, let's begin the journey. Here's the route we'll be following today. We'll start from the parking area, make our way to the summit of Handi Gundi, and then continue towards a neighboring hill to explore the surrounding landscape from a whole new angle. Sometimes, the best discoveries aren't marked on the map. They're found by taking the trail that most people walk past. The first few steps are always the easiest. Fresh air, quiet surroundings, and the excitement of not knowing what waits around the next bend. With every step, the city fades away, replaced by birdsong, rustling leaves, and the rhythm of our footsteps. The climb slowly begins to test us. Some stretches demand a little more effort, but every pause offers another reason to appreciate the journey. That's the beauty of trekking. The view is earned, not given. Every hill has a story, and Handi Gundi has an interesting one. According to local folklore, a pig once wandered up this hill while grazing. Without realizing it had reached the edge, it fell off the cliff. One after another, several pigs followed the same path and met the same fate. In Kannada, Handi means pig, and the name Handi Gundi is believed to refer to a group of pigs that followed each other to the edge of the hill. Whether it's just a legend or a story passed down through generations, it has become a memorable part of Handi Gundi's identity. The trek to Handi Gundi is around 3 kilometers one way, making it a comfortable half-day adventure. The trail is well defined, with a gradual climb through rocky terrain and open landscapes. If you enjoy weekend hikes, this is a trek that most beginners can comfortably complete. Families with children who are used to walking short trails can also enjoy this trek, provided they take their time and exercise caution on the rocky sections near the summit. It's one of those treks where the journey is just as enjoyable as the destination. And then, the landscape opens up. The rocky hills of Ramanagara stretch endlessly across the horizon, each one shaped by time and standing quietly against the sky. From above, the trail looks tiny, reminding us just how vast nature really is. The summit is close now. The excitement quietly replaces the tired legs, and every step feels lighter knowing the best views are just ahead. And finally, the summit. Standing here, the wind tells its own story. The endless granite hills, the open sky, and the silence make every step of the climb worthwhile. It's moments like these that remind us why we keep coming back to the mountains. From the sky, Handi Gundi reveals an entirely different personality. The cliffs, the ridges, and the trail we've just conquered come together into one incredible landscape.
Each crease a memory, each fold remains. The sky looks wide but feels so small. Can paper wings ever fly at all?
For most trekkers, this is where the journey ends. But for us, the adventure was only halfway through. Instead of heading back, we decided to explore a nearby offbeat hill. Sometimes, the unplanned detours become the most memorable part of the day. Leaving the familiar trail behind, we continued towards a quieter path. There were no crowds, no signboards, just curiosity leading the way.
Whispers, secrets I can't hold. A fleeting warmth in a world so cold. I send my dreams to the clouds above, but the wind tore through what I thought was love. Will they
A short climb later, we reached the neighboring hill, and there it was Handi Gundi, standing proudly against the horizon. From here, the mountain looked even more majestic than it did from the summit. Looking back at the hill we had just climbed made us appreciate the journey even more. Sometimes, changing your perspective is all it takes to see something familiar in an entirely new way. From up here, trails disappear, and only the landscape remains. Every hill, every valley, every winding path comes together like pieces of a story written by nature. It's hard to believe that all of this lies just a short drive away from the city. Not every memorable moment happens while climbing. Sometimes it's the quiet pause beneath a tree, sharing stories, catching our breath, and simply taking in the view. After all, a trek isn't about rushing to the summit, it's about enjoying every moment along the way. As the drone rises higher, our little resting spot slowly blends into the vast landscape. It reminds us how small we are, yet how fortunate we are to experience places like these. Some places don't ask for words, they ask you to simply feel the moment. When the wind becomes the music and the mountains become the audience, every movement feels like a celebration of freedom. No stage, no spotlight. Just an open sky, endless hills, and a soul dancing without boundaries. Every trail has a destination, but the real reward isn't reaching the top. It's the conversations along the way, the unexpected paths we choose, and the memories we bring back home. This was our journey through Handi Gundi and beyond. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sharan Gumma. Until the next trail, keep exploring.